Okay, my dear YouTube friends, today we're going to be working on something that's important for phone repairing. My instructor is here. He just instructed me, and I'm doing this for me to have revision later. So every phone that when you're on the phone, mostly, let's say this is a recorder, it's not a phone. This is so the mouthpiece is usually located here, which is supposed to be somewhere there on the devices, okay? And this side is something called the earpiece to hear something from it. So today we're going to be working on replacing the mouthpiece on these two motherboards. From this one, the charging plate, we're going to remove from the charging plate to another charging plate. So what we need to do is remove this what is it called? Mouthpiece. This mouthpiece with these details on it, and the numbers even can be seen. I think that is what we need to replace, and we're gonna replace it to another one that doesn't have the same writing, but it seems they're same size. We're gonna just make use of them, okay?
They're the same, but the only difference is that this one is the original one from the phone.
Oh, that's the original from the phone.
Yeah, this one.
And that is the
shop.
Okay.
Yeah, this one, the new one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So we're gonna work on that today, and I'm gonna do it. You hold the camera and make sure that everything is on. I just have to get you. So, and over there too. Hold uko tu. Sio chini. Kienda chini itakuwa mbaya. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, clip this one in there. Is this supposed to be this way? Okay. I'm supposed to flip it, right? The other way.
Yeah.
The other side or this side?
The other side, you have to use the blower.
Okay, then I'm gonna use the other side, right?
Yeah.
So having someone to correct you is very important. It's really gonna be helpful.
Yeah.
So if you're learning something, you have to have someone who has more knowledge than you, and that will be able to stop your mistakes right away. So he told me not to use this. I would have used this one, but he said no. So where's that charging plate? It's right here.
Yeah.
It's right here. But there's nothing.
Yeah, it is there.
Yeah, but it seems there's nothing in there to blow. So we're gonna flip it.
I have to use that.
We're gonna use this blower.
Yeah.
And flip it.
Yeah.
Return it back. There's no teeth coming to this side, so we're gonna just blow over. So whatever you're working on a device, on something, you gotta look into if the soldering is, on that side that you want to work on. So I'm gonna get my blower on. I don't know how.
That one.
So I'm gonna put some wax on it, right?
Wait, no. That one, don't apply the paste. Just blow it.
Just to blow it, it will come off.
But sometimes this one, when this one is okay, and you want to replace this one, which is not okay, you don't have to blow this one from up, because it can also spoil it.
It can spoil, it can go bad. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do now? You would blow from the other side.
Yeah, from down.
For what reason? So it doesn't go bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it can be easy.
Where's my little thing? I got it off.
Yeah.
So it's easy to take it off.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna just to get another one.
Now even if you put this one here, and
Okay, you do it. We need to straight up and work to. Oh, that can go chini.
yeah.
Okay.
Blow from here.
Okay, so I'm gonna blow from the top, right? Same as I did the other one. Oh, from chini.
From down.
From down. Okay. This time we're gonna change the direction. We're gonna do
Because that
things
one-
from down.
Yeah.
So let's do. You gotta keep moving around. Don't be staying in one place. You can burn the stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I got it off. So easy, huh? Okay.
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay. So I dropped it one, the instructor picked it up. You know, having an assistant who can help you learn some new skill, and you pay it hourly or you pay it a monthly, however you want it. Everything is agreement, right? So if you have a skill, approach other people that don't have, let them learn from you and you get paid. That's it. Okay, today what we learn is how to move this mouthpiece. So when I'm placing it there, she can so where this hole faces, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
So these 4 legs, it's hard to. These 4 legs is what you need to straight up on where they go.
Yeah.
1 and 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's line it up with where they go. I'm gonna use this tiny tool that I have. I'm gonna drop it there, and I will be able to move it over the other one until it lines up. You have to look the 4 sides till you're satisfied it has lined up.
Yeah.
Now it's good. I can see it is okay.
Yeah.
Now should I use the blower or soldering
The
gun?
blower from down.
So I'm gonna minimize the air. The air is already minimized,
Yeah.
and that is already good. Okay. Make sure you line up on that. So,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna go ahead
From
and
down.
from down.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not gonna blow. It's not gonna fly. Ah, it's important to do from down then.
Yeah.
And you have to press it over after you
Yeah.
see it is getting hard.
Yeah.
It has not done a good job from the down. Should we do from Jew then? Let me try.
Yeah, you can spread it easily from up.
It can easily spoil.
Can be done with it.
Okay.
But from down.
From down is for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're not sure if we got successfully done. Let's look at it by trying moving it around. First, you have to allow it to dry. It's too hot.
too hot.
I mean, it's until it just holds it right. So it is hot. If I try moving it, it will come off. So I'm gonna wait. Yeah, for sure it has not moved from its location. So let it cool down. I can put some home dry.
Yeah.
I don't like this how it smells, but it cools things. And you won't mess up anything. So we got that in. The mouthpiece is in place. That's it. So you just have to adjust to the temperature you're putting over, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we can say we have replaced mouthpiece from this charging port. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Charging what?
Plate.
Charging plate to this charging plate. So we removed this one.
From the other one. Then this one.
Yeah. We got this old one from here. We moved it and we got the new one to this one. And then we're done. So we will have a phone that can charge well right now. So what was the reason we replaced this mouthpiece? Was it not charging or not able to hear it?
Not able to hear.
Not able to hear it. That's why we have replaced the mouthpiece. Great. Peace. Everyone, peace. Have a fun day. And subscribe and share. And we will learn a lot on this channel from different instructors that everyone knows different thing, right? So I'm gonna expose a lot of knowledge to you guys. That is my what is it? Separator. Screen separator, and that is
The hot air
air blower with that what they call the soldering gun, the air blower. Hey, I'll list. And this is the one thing we use for cleaning the tip of the what is it?
The gun.
The gun. Okay. Okay, this cable is on my way. They could not see. This is the wire that I'm talking about, okay? And we also used a different tool, which was to clean the tip of the soldering gun, and that is the one we have here.
Yeah.
What is it? What is it?
Clean
What is
and
it?
sharpen.
Clean and sharpen the metal. Okay. And today, what else we gonna do?
That's that one also.
Okay, we're gonna put the other one back.
Yeah.
Just to practice it well is our target. So let me just zoom it. Expose that. It's already very clear and exposed. So those four soldering thing has to line up with this one. Can you lie straight it up? Get closer. Yeah, that 4 pieces has to go over the other 4 here. That's how we're gonna do it. So let me do it. Away from me. I don't want to get into the camera. Get the camera away from me. Because people want to learn something now. They don't want to know who you are. You know what I'm saying? So this hole, it doesn't matter where it faces.
But it mostly it faces down.
This way.
No.
The other direction.
Yeah, the other direction.
So you have to be aware of what you're doing. Sometimes you have to question to know what you do not know. So let's get it there. Okay.
Is that?
Right here.
Yeah.
This is the 3rd time I'm dropping it. Inexperienced technician will go through many difficulties.
Yeah.
So let's get it there. Drop it there first. Line it up. Get closer and be sure it's clear on the video.
Yeah.
I need to look at the other side. This is good. Now you have to look at the 4 sides for you to reconfirm if things are lining up. So I did from down, so I'm gonna do from down, then I'm gonna do from the top. But the instructor is saying do it from down.
It's much better.
Huh?
It's much better to do
It's
it
much
from
better
now.
than causing issue to the charging plate.
Yeah.
You think it's gonna be okay now?
Yeah.
Wow, it has a smell. I can see it has melted the whole charging plate. Too hot to touch. So let's cool it down by putting home dry or alcohol for rubber cleaning. Okay, so let's get that. Wait for a while until it dries and it becomes part of the. Hey, we got it right. How many ways we have done it? It's not even clear what happened. Okay. Sometimes you have to zoom in. So we have done 2 mouthpiece replacement today. That's all for the day, guys. Okay, so great. At least we have successfully finished this task. Let's remove it. And Hey instructor, what are we gonna do now? What is our next step?
Even this one.
Let's remove from a tiny
button.
phone. Is
Yeah.
it Nokia?
Nokia.
This is Nokia, old Nokia. Okay, we're gonna remove today what?
The mouthpiece.
The mouthpiece. Okay, so hold the camera now. You're the cameraman, and hands away from that. And let's get it.
That one, how to remove the other things from.
The other side. Oh, the keyboard.
Yeah.
So this is the touch keyboard.
Yeah. That one holds the other keyboard.
So it's just let clips over, and you gotta remove this one too, right?
Yeah.
And the tiny things can easily fall. These ones, they can easily fall.
Yeah, and they can easily.
Yeah. So this is the touch keys.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's keep it aside. Is this gonna come off or no?
No.
This will not come off.
No.
So this is gonna be safe
Yeah.
for us to work in this.
Yeah.
And we're working here on this one, in between these two. It's
Yeah.
straight to this one, to this
Yeah.
one. Alright? Alright, it's time to line it
How
up.
to put it to the other side? Yeah.
The other way? Upper? Okay. So we're gonna blow from the top.
From down.
Okay. We're gonna blow from down, so that's why it is. Concentrate with the camera, bro. This is special tool which we use for holding it.
Oh, yeah.
So let's get so I'm gonna go from down straight out my heater underneath it until I feel like it gets easy to take it off. Up even here. Get closer with that down. Okay, good. So let's get to blow it. So when you blow, make sure you don't like stay one place. I can feel like I took it off. Very easy. Okay. So we're gonna just put it back, right? We don't have another phone similar to this one, so we're doing for practice purpose. So let's get it back.
And sometimes it can be like that, but when you remove it and return it back, sometimes it can work.
Okay. So sometimes just by removing it and putting it back and doing some cleanup on the terminals, things will work. Okay, that's just all electrical thing. That's how they function. Let's do a tiny work here. A tiny space to place something. So we have turned off the air blowing. We only have the heat on. That's why things are easy to work on. If I would have the air on, it would fly away. Okay, so I'm gonna just to be comfortable, doing day after day until you become, perfect. I can say this mouthpiece will be there, and next time if I come across any issue relating to this, I will be able to solve without asking someone else to help me. Okay, so we're gonna now replace the charging port.
Yeah.
Okay, cut that off, start a new